I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume.
Welcome back to my channel. I am kashiajabre. Today I'm going to be bringing you guys my everyday fall makeup routine. I just feel like this look is very simple, but it still gives. It's very effortless and it's quick and easy. So I love the fact that I'm able to bring this video to you guys and show you how I was able to achieve it. But before we hop into this video, make sure y'all give me a like, comment, and subscribe because we're this close to 400K. And as y'all know, we are doing Vlogmas. So make sure that you got your post notifications on so that you know every time I post, which is every single day. So yeah, I'm not gonna talk y'all head off and let's just go ahead and hop right into this video. Let's just go ahead and get into this face. So first things first, I'm going to start off on a fresh face, but I'm still gonna use some Micellar cleansing water. This is gonna remove any dirt or oils that are sitting onto my face. And you just wanna make sure that your skin is really clean before you apply makeup because it will mess with the makeup application. Next, you're gonna take some moisturizer. This is my favorite one. It has SPF in it and it's oil free. I use it every single day and I don't ever skip this step, even when I don't wear makeup. Next, we're going to go in with some primer. This is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. It's very sticky, so I'm not rubbing it much. I'm just kind of like tacking it onto my face. Before applying my makeup, I always like to go in and do my brows first. So today I'm going to be using the Morphe Brow Pencil. I will have all of the exact shades of every single product that I use in this video listed in the description box. But I'm just going in and lightly filling in my brows. Nothing too crazy, nothing too dramatic. And then I'm going to go in with the Born This Way Multi-Use Scope Concealer in the shade Warm Sand, and I'm going to carve out the bottom of my brows. After I do that, I'm going to use this same concealer and I'm going to put this all over my eyelid. This is going to be my base for my eyeshadows because I will be doing an eyeshadow look today. So I like to go in and just cover my entire lid, and then I'm also going to set this down with translucent powder. For my eyeshadow today, I'm going to be going in with my favorite eyeshadow palette, which is the Makeup by Mario. I'm going to start off with a very cool tone shade to mimic a brow bone. And then I'm going to go in with a warm shade and basically just cover my entire eyelid with this. And then the third shade that I'm going to add is going to be super light, and I'm going to keep that in my inner corners. I feel like this just gives the perfect pop to my makeup, and I love the outcome of it every single time, so I never skip it whenever I do my eyeshadow looks. And then after that, I'm going to go in with that same concealer that I carved out my brow bone with, and I'm going to just carve out my eyeshadow. This is just going to give me an eye lift and make everything super sharp and crisp. After carving out my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and start to apply my concealer. I'm using the Warm Sand shade on the outermost parts of my face, and I'm also going to use this on my forehead, my chin, and down my nose. And then you guys will see that I will go in with another shade, which is very similar to Warm Sand in color. However, it is just falls on a little bit more of the neutral side. And so I like to put this right up underneath my eyes. Now I'm going to go in with my curve case. I love this palette, so many different colors. And today I'm going to be using a very warm shade. This is an orangey, peachy brown type of color. And I'm going to be putting this in all of the areas where I would normally contour, which is right under my cheekbone and on the sides of my forehead. And now I'm going to take my foundation, which is by Patrick Ta, and I'm just going to fill in all of the areas in which there is no product. I like doing this method because I use a lot less makeup. Instead of covering my face in foundation and then placing my products, I like to place the products, which is my concealer and my contour, and then fill in the spaces with foundation. I hope that makes sense. And then now I'm just going in and blending everything out. And I like to keep my placements exactly where they are. However, I am meshing the edges together, of course, just to give a very seamless look. And I'm using a powder puff to do this. After blending with my powder puff, I like to go back in with my foundation brush. And this is just going to blend out any harsh lines. And next I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty. This is the banana bread color. It's very warm, and this is what I'm going to be using to set my entire face. I just started using this product, but I I'm gonna say I love this powder. This is the best powder I've ever used. I've tried the One Size, I've tried the Laura Mercier, I've tried a lot of powders. This is the best one. I can't even lie to y'all. Like, I am in love with it so much. So I use it all over my face. After setting some powder on the side of my cheekbone and down my nose, I'm going to go in with this foundation powder, and I'm going to use this as my contour powder. This is a little bit darker than my skin tone. It's very brown and it just chisels my face. So I'm going to be using that on my forehead and on my cheeks. And then next, I'm going to also take this down my nose. This is going to also serve as my nose contour as well. And then after that, I'm going to go in with blush. Today, I am using the Juvia's Place Volume 1 palette, and I'm going to use the orange shade in this palette. This is just going to bronze up my face and give me that very much sun-kissed look. I use this on my cheeks and my forehead, and I'm also going to use it on the tip of my nose to just give that super cute button nose look. After this, I'm going to go in with a light foundation powder, and I'm going to go under my eyes with this. This is just going to brighten up my concealer and give me that pop right up underneath my eyes. And I love this powder because I feel like it gives me a blur. So it just makes everything looks really, really airbrushed and seamless. And next, I'm going to go in with this coral shade, and I'm going to use this as another blush. It's just a little bit lighter than the orange that I used before, so it meshes very well and blends everything together. Shortly after, I'm just going to brush away all of that setting powder that I had sitting on my face. And I'm going to also use that same shade that I used on top of my orange blush. And I'm going to put this right under my eyes. Now moving on to lips, I'm going to use a brown lip liner. This one is from the beauty supply store. However, I have a few favorite brown lip liners that I can recommend you guys in the description box. And I'm also going to use this in my waterline as well. And then after that, I'm going to go in with a Plum shade of lip liner, and I'm going to go right on top of that brown liner just to give my lips just a little bit more color. And then I'm going to go in with this lip gloss. This is the Yummy collection by Covergirl, and I don't know the exact shape, but of course I will have it listed. And then I just go all over my lips with this. This just gives me a very, very natural looking lip. It looks very cute. I love her. I have so many different lip combos, so if you guys would like for me to make an entire video on all of my different lip combos, just let me know. But now I'm going in with a brown wet eyeliner. I mean liquid, didn't mean to say wet. Liquid eyeliner, and I'm just doing a wing, and then I'm going to do an inner corner line as well. For lashes today, I'm going to be using the Veyes clusters, and I'm just going to be using a mixture of 14, 12s, and 10s, and I'm putting this all over my eyes to give a super cat eye look. I love these so much. They remind me of when I get my individuals done, and they're super quick and easy. And I'm going to go ahead and set my face with the Soft Focus Hourglass setting spray, and then I'm also going to go in with the One Size after this, and I'm just going to set my face with that as well. And then after setting, I'm going to do my bottom lashes mascara, and then I'm just going to add a couple moles, and then that'll be it, you guys. Like, I'm in love with this face. Like, it is so freaking cute. It screams fall. It's super clean, super easy and fast to do. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something. If you guys try this look out, please send it to me or tag me in your videos. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and tune in for the rest of Vlogmas. And yeah, I love you guys, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.